Welcome to 2+0 Cooking, and we are making single-serve ginger garlic shrimp today. If you've never made this absolutely tasty recipe before, then stick around. Hello, my name is Beef, and if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I make small, tasty recipes for me and my plus one out of our tiny apartment kitchen. Our recipes are small, easy on the budget, and easily scalable for more servings. So let's get cooking on this shrimp. And it finally cooled off enough that my plus one's actually taking a little nap, and I know she's going to be waking up in a little bit. I need to figure out something to make for her. Well, this is what I pulled out of the fridge. Well, I pulled this out of the freezer. Some shrimp. She loves shrimp. Some ginger, a little piece of garlic, potato, some green beans, and a carrot. Yeah, let me see if I can do something with this. We are on a time crunch. I'm doing this on the fly, so bear with me. I'm making this up as we go. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to need some water in this pot because we need to get the potatoes going first. I just put a little bit of water, probably a cup, maybe a little bit more cup. There we go, now it's a cup. I'm going to go ahead and put the potatoes in there. Get that going first. Maybe put a little bit of the garlic in there. Okay, let's get this on the stove and get it cooking because we still got to deal with this other shit. Oh yeah. I rinsed it under cold water. That really thawed it out good. The potatoes, if you notice, I cut them small. That way they will cook a lot faster. So we got the shrimp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and peel the shrimp. I like fresh shrimp, but you know, with the whole coronavirus and thing, the only thing that we can get is frozen shrimp. So I'm going to go ahead, but I don't want it to curl up. So we're going to cut slits on the inside. That way when it cooks, I don't want it to like curl into like, we're going to cut little slits into it. Along the stomach, I guess, you know, the bread basket, cut it there and on the sides. I find shrimp, like some seafood, it's very bland. And the reason why it's bland is because when people serve it, they get rid of all the good stuff. You know, a lot of cultures, they cook the entire protein. But in, you know, metropolitan U.S., you're just going after this. In metropolitan USA, you don't care about this. But you guys that really like to cook out there, you know, this is like gold. It's like fat from the bacon. This is gold. If you throw this away, big mistake. Oh, here we go. I can hear the potatoes boiling in the background. I'm going to go put these in the freezer just so that they stay nice and cold. So for many of you that have never been here before, I tinfoil everything up because it's a pain in the ass to clean, and I clean so often that I rub paint off the stove, off the wall, whatever. So I cleaned it as best as I could, tinfoiled it up. If it gets really bad, I throw the tinfoil away. And this is why I really like putting tinfoil here, is because all the bubbling water that would normally go down into the element, it stays here on the tinfoil. I didn't cut it small enough. I hope it's not gritty. It might be, but we're going to keep going. Here's a kitchen trick for you guys. I've got my potatoes here. I'm going to need another hot pan. Put it there, put the potatoes on top. It heats up both. I've got my other aluminum pan here, which is quite hot, that I just found out. Olive oil. We have some lemons, leftover lemons, and I dated it when I used it last. We don't have any white wine, but I did find some Kikkoman sweet cooking sake, some heavy whipping cream, butter. If we leave it the way it is, it'll probably be more Italian. Sun-dried tomato. Here we go. That will work. One sun-dried tomato. And I guess it'll be more Californian. We're going to go ahead and toss some butter into it. Probably about a tablespoon. Okay, here's the shells with the juice. We're putting that in there. Yeah, let's put some salt. Put some pepper in there. Let's put this lid back on. Basically, what we want to do is squeeze all the nice juices, all the flavors really in the shells. And that's what we're doing here. Now, this is what you call sake. This puppy, we've had this. I failed to put a date on it. But you know what? The chef needs something, so I'm going to go ahead and have a little. Oh, we got a little sake here. I'm going to put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds or something, just to warm it up. I have our potatoes here. They're straining. Just going to let them strain a little bit longer. Got the liquid out. Put the potatoes back in. We're going to knock it back in add butter. And put about a teaspoon. Add some salt. Some pepper. And we're going to hit it with some of this heavy whipping cream. Probably just like a little eighth. See how creamy it's getting? Alright, so that's looking good. Let's go ahead and put the garlic, the ginger in there. And then we're going to put that sun-dried tomato in there with its oil and everything. Okay, let's check these potatoes again. Oh yeah. Put olive oil in here. Pan's hot. Get the veggies in there. Salt, pepper. Now I tell you folks out there, if you have kids and they don't want to eat their veggies, so you put some vinegar and then some sugar. Kids will eat it up. Let me check the temperature on it. Yeah, we do a little bit more heat. So let's do this. So I need to get this done. I just heard her wake up. So I need to get this plated as quickly as possible. Oh yeah, look at those potatoes. They are there. Those are good. Set this aside. Let's go ahead and move this other pan to the back. Got the heat up. We're going to put it in here, juices and everything. That is definitely up to temperature. Yeah. And as you can see, they didn't shrink up too much. And actually cutting them actually helped them from like turning into a baseball. See, look at like this piece. Didn't curl up at all. Best thing in the world. Very exact. Look at that. And the shrimp's on there. Grab this lid. This is the lid that I want. Let's go ahead and squeeze it. Pour that over the top. So here's the dish. We have the ginger garlic shrimp. It's for my +1 when she wakes up from her nap. I hope she likes it. I know a lot of you guys out there are thinking, how can you screw this plate up if it's so good just the way it is? And what I did is, if you take a look at the top of that shrimp, you see that little red sauce on there? That little red sauce is crab fat. You probably had it before. You know, if you're like eating crab, that little tasty crab fat in there, they actually sell that. You can pick it up at the Asian market. I put a little bit of that on the top, and that's going to add another layer of flavor on top of everything else that's going on this dish. Oh, I took a little taste. It's just like beyond. Adios. Just FYI, crab fat, good for you. Thank you so much for watching this video making ginger garlic shrimp. If you like this video, then please like us above. There are also links on this screen for other 2+0 cooking recipes. Remember to subscribe and you'll be notified new videos every week. As always, I have a summary of this recipe below in the description, and also please visit our website, 2+0-cooking.com. If you have any comments or ideas, then please post them below. We love hearing from our viewers and answering their questions. We also invite our viewers to share their ideas or recipes with each other in the comments section. Thank you for watching, looking forward to hearing from you, and see you soon. Beef out. As always, just because I'm not pressing record doesn't mean I'm not cooking. The following is a dish I made while I was editing this video. Enjoy.